Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will be making something very yummy and interesting. We would be making pancakes. All the ingredients for this recipe would be listed in the description area. So we're starting up with 3 cups of whole milk. Okay, and we're gonna crack in 2 eggs. So this is the tricks to pancake. For every 1 cup of flour you have, you need a cup and a half of liquid. Yeah, you get it? Okay, let's get going. So I've broken 2 eggs into the mix and I've whisked it thoroughly. And then I've added half cup of sugar and of course my secret ingredient, cayenne pepper. Okay, and then I would be pouring in my all-purpose flour and mixing it in bits until it's nicely combined until I finish pouring everything. And there we are, we have our pancake batter. Very light, very fluffy, just the way we love it. And then I'm putting my calorie spray oil in a pan. You could use oil if you want to as well. And then I start frying my pancake batter, okay, in low heat. And then you let it fry until the raw side of a pancake has thoroughly cooked at the top. And then you flip it over and there you are. Very nice, looking very yummy already. And there is our first pancake is ready. And I would continue the same process for the rest of our pancakes. Okay, and we are on the last one. And you can obviously hear the song of excitement in the background. You know, food makes us happy in this home. We love good food. And yeah, that's on the last one. And oh, thank you guys for 200 amazing subscribers. We're on our way to 300 and we're really hoping to get to 300 pretty soon. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, so now I'm going to be spreading my Nutella as my filling of choice for this pancake. We love to eat our pancakes with Nutella in our house. Okay, so you spread it and then roll it. You could fold it into a triangle if you want, but I think the rolling is actually really nice and easy to eat as well. Looks really yummy, can't wait. Okay, and then you cut it into 2. Okay, look how beautiful it looks. And I would put in my whipped cream. 1, 2, and 3. And what else could we add to this? I think I'm gonna add some syrup to our pancake. Yep, really nice. There you go. The pancake is ready. If this recipe has